let's get into it. So today, our prompt. So I am writing about the 4 seasons, 100 words per season, so roughly around 400 words for this prompt. And this is another prompt I've written on before. This time I'm trying to think of it in a different way. I'm trying to think of the beauty in each of the seasons and what the season itself represents with that beauty, starting with winter. Winter, as we know, is thought of as the time of death, a time where things aren't great, hardship. And the beauty of it is the joy, the celebration that happens in the winter. We have a time of Thanksgiving, which is still technically fall, but there's Thanksgiving, there's Hanukkah, there's Christmas, New Year's Eve. There are celebrations that happen during the winter that remind us to have joy in the hardship. Spring is very clearly life from death. Summer, there's abundance from hard work. A lot of this will be tied to scripture. Winter could be tied to James, count it all joy, my brothers, when you face hard times, rejoice always. The Passover of spring, the bringing life from death. Summer, the abundance of hard work. Proverbs tells us multiple times that essentially the man or woman who works hard will have wealth all their life, whereas he who is lazy will continue to live in poverty. Or, on the other hand, he who has wealth given to him will squander it, whereas him who works hard will keep it. And then finally, fall. Hope for the future. Fall is a time where we start to see things die, where we start to believe that kind of like a spring, but instead of life from death, it is death to life. Or life to death. Not life from death. It is life to death. And there are many biblical festivals that remind us of the time to come, of the time of a new heaven and new earth, and the hope for that life. That's where we're at. I'm not going to be able to write for a very long time right now. I'll have to leave probably, depending on what we're doing there, but I have a rehearsal today, so we'll see if I have any time to write. Depends on what act we do. it's time to go into rehearsal. I've gotten the winter and spring written so far. It's gonna be a late day.